Eagle's the biggest 3-in-1 3D printer in the market. Introducing by Eagle Automation Technology. If you want to invest on 3-in-1 3D printer, this will be your best invest. Eagle is made with premium aluminum alloy, high-quality stepper motor, Acme lead screws, high-quality control unit, 3.5 TFT touchscreen with latest technology, with interchangeable heads for 3D printing, laser engraving and CNC carving. The premium aluminum alloy CNC body delivers a great stability, since the sturdy metal frame boosts the stability of the printer. As a result, quality and reliable performance are guaranteed on your 3D print, laser engraving and CNC carving. Eagle, coming with 3 different sizes: E450, E350, E250, and you can choose as per your convenience. E450 will be our biggest 3D printer. Its working area will be 450 by 450 by 400 mm. E350 working area will be 350 by 350 by 300 mm. E250 will be our smallest printer and its working area will be 250 by 250 by 200 mm. Eagle always using latest technology. So with our 3D printing module, laser engraving module, and CNC carving module, you can do almost anything with your creativity. With Eagle 3D printing module, you can print your favorite car, favorite character, or any mechanical item. With Eagle laser engraving module, you can print your creative wedding card, decorate your wallet, or your picture on the wood. Eagle's CNC carving module, using a high-speed, 3,000 to 12,000 revolutions per minute, brushless motor to give the best result for your creativity. Are you a beginner, or professional designer? If you are thinking to buy a 3-in-1 3D printer, Eagle's 3-in-1 printer will be the best choice. This will be your best invest on your life.